Hey y'all, so in this video I'm just going to be cleaning up my car and just showing y'all what I keep in my car. And also I have a little template that I've laminated, and I put all of my repairs and oil changes and everything like that on that, and I'll show y'all a little bit later in the video how I do that. So to clean the inside of the car, I'm just using a white rag and whatever multi-purpose cleaner that I have at the time. Here I'm just using the Method Honeycrisp Apple, and for the windows I will use either Windex or the Method Mint glass cleaner on just the inside of the windows. So I'm just going to be wiping down all of the interior with the Honeycrisp Apple cleaner, and the vacuum cleaner that I use is the Shark cordless vac. My car is new and I just got it a couple of months ago, so it's not really that dirty, but I just basically just want to keep it kept up and just keep it tidy. So you'll see later on in the back seat I have a plethora of jackets that are mounting. So basically I'm just trying to keep where I don't have stuff piled everywhere. In my center console, I just keep a little notebook for writing down either ideas or just things that I need to get done. Usually I have a pair of gloves in there and some napkins. And I have a white plastic box that I keep extra phone cords or just like adapter cords or anything like I would need. And some spray for the car, and then also some body spray. And in my top compartment, I just have some makeup and some hair ties, and that's usually where I put some of my hair clips too. I always like to keep either a towel or a blanket, something like that, in the car just because I get so cold a lot of times. And jackets are a must for me. So I'm going to keep one for work, a nice thick one in case we go out at night sometime, and then also a raincoat. To keep this video under 10 minutes, I didn't show me doing the other side of the back, but I just wiped down the doors with the same cleaner, and then also used the Shark cordless vac in the back seat as well. In the red container, I keep my roadside triangle flares, just in case you need to change a tire at night or just pull over on the side of the road. And in this container, I have a tool bag, some paper towels, a hammer, some plastic, some garbage bags, bungee cords, band-aids, an extra light bulb for the taillights, a flashlight, and I don't keep the battery in the flashlight. I just store it outside of it so that way it doesn't corrode inside, and also an umbrella. So I'm also going to keep a towel and also just move my blanket to the back. Here I just have my auto maintenance log. I just put this together in a Word document, and then I took it to Office Depot and had them print it for me so that way it was in color, and laminate it for me. So because it's laminated, you can actually write on it with permanent marker. So I just use a fine tip Sharpie, and then if you need to change anything or you make a mistake, you can erase it with just a regular eraser. So I like that feature because my car manual actually came with a maintenance log, but I didn't really want to write in it, and in case if we resold the car or anything like that, I felt more comfortable just having an external log, that way I wouldn't mess up the book or anything like that. So I just have a couple of things, some warranty information when I bought the car, just so I have reference to go back in case like I need something replaced. I can say, okay, well that's actually under my powertrain warranty or anything like that. So I just have that notated up there just so I remember it. But I have things like oil change, balanced tires, alignment, replaced tires, air filter, blades, brake service, belts and hoses, radiator flush and fill, transmission, spark plugs, battery, and other. And then I just have a section where if I had put other, I could just notate what that was. And then put the date and mileage. I mean, you could set this up any way you want. You could put, or you could just leave this part blank and then write it in what service you had done. But I just wanted to show y'all how I keep track of all my stuff. Now, my car is fairly new, so I've only had one oil change so far. So, and we did go through a hurricane recently, so I will actually have to have my car serviced, but all of the auto shops are backlogged right now, so that's why I haven't taken my car in yet. But I'm actually going to have to get most of the car repainted. That I would just put under other. You could make a folder and then keep all of your auto body receipts in there, and you could put a section where you write which auto service you took it to. So that way if you didn't have the records, or if you took it somewhere and you were still having problems with your vehicle, you could say, oh, I had it serviced here at this place last time, and they could contact that company and speak with them about what they found initially and how they proceeded to fix the problem. So it's just something good to have. And I would say you could find any kind of templates like this on Pinterest. You could leave this section blank and just, you know, have your date, where you had it serviced, and then what was done to the vehicle. I mean, you could really set it up in multiple different ways, just any way that works best for you. So thank y'all guys for watching my car video. I hope y'all like this video, subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!